All right, 48 deals with finding the difference quotient and simplifying your answer. 48 would be a good one to know how to do, especially for possibly the short answer portion of your final. Just saying, might be one you know how to do. Other than that, not saying it's on the final, not saying it's not, but I'm just saying you might want to know how to do that one. Okay? Hear me loud and clear? All right. Huh?
48.
48.
Okay.
Then on 48, so it is a difference quotient. So all I'm going to do is plug everything in to my equation that will be given to you, possibly, on the second part of your final, the short answer portion. Okay? It possibly could be on there if there is one of those types of questions. There's a very good chance. Just saying. So if I have f of x plus h, so basically what that means is all I'm going to do is every time there is an x, I'm going to plug in x plus h here and here. So I'm going to have 2 times x plus h squared plus 3 times x plus h minus 1. So there's the first part. Okay, that's right here. Now, minus f of x. So if I'm going to subtract f of x, I'm just going to change all of these signs. So I'm going to subtract 2x squared. I'm going to subtract 3x. And I'm going to add 1. Now, all of this is over h. Okay, but I've got a little work to do, right? I need to square the x plus h and multiply it by 2. I need to distribute that 3 and go from there. So x plus h quantity squared is going to be x squared. So like this is just x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. I'm going to distribute the 2 to everything in there, so I can kind of shortcut it a little bit or not have to write as much. So 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 1 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, and then it is all over h. Then it just becomes combining like terms and canceling things if they can cancel, which will happen. Okay, biggest thing that's going to happen is right here with the 2x squareds. Then I also have a negative 3x and I have a positive 2x. I have a negative 1 and I have a positive 1. So then all I'm left with is 4xh plus 2h squared plus 3h all over h. So what can I factor out of every single one of these? An h. Okay, that's what's going to happen. There's only going to be some that just have a single h left in it. So if I have an h here, and then if I just factor it out of each one, I'm going to have a 4x plus 2h plus 3 all over h. What's going to happen to the h's? They're going to cancel, leaving me with a final answer of 4x. I'm going to go plus 3 plus 2h. I'm just going to put the h on the end.